Hello and welcome back to our channel. On today's video we want to share with you our pressure washer review. This guy back here. So pressure washers, they come in all colors, sizes and PSIs and so on. So what we want to share with you today is we were looking for a pressure washer, something economical, not a professional grade. Professional grade is very easy to find, and something electric, and something that we could use at the garage that we won't be using every single day, day in and day out. So we did extensive research and we came up with this brand back here, which is the Kärcher 1700 PSI. And I'm gonna flip this around and we're gonna go over there and go through the machine. So I wanna share with you this machine, which came up with a lot of reviews and a lot of people say that it was the best bang for the buck. So we went and bought one, and I'm gonna take you through, and then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna test the machine, and then we want to upgrade this machine to see how it works. Let's say with a foam cannon like this one here, and we will be using the Turbo Wax shampoo, and then we will change also the handle from the original handle. So let's see how the machine looks like. Alright, so here's the machine. It has a on and off button there, and the water hose. No, sorry, this one is the hose for the gun. It goes in here, and then the garden hose is here. The tires, I'm not so sure about these tires. They're just plasticish. It's a 1700 PSI, 1.2 gallons. This is the plug right here, 110. It comes with one adapter right here, this one here. It came with another one here, and then it came with another one here. It has a handle and the hose, and that's pretty much it. You can put soap in here, right there, and a little compartment here, nothing fancy. So we're gonna take this out and then we're gonna test it. Okay, so here's the first part of the video. So here's the OEM machine, the way that it came, with a long nozzle, a hose, and the machine. So this machine was brand new, and this is this will be my third time. So I used this machine the first time, everything was fine. I didn't feel they had enough pressure, and the hoses were constantly kinking. So I upgraded, as I said before, to a foam cannon and a longer hose. So I want to show you what happens with this machine to me. So water's on. Simply we're going to apply the pull on the trigger, and maybe we need to turn it on. So basically this portion here, in my opinion, is not good, not to use a bad word here. I'm very disappointed. This is the second time, well, this is the third time. The second time the water just pissing out of the unions. I opened it up, I didn't see anything. There is nothing to be changed. Maybe I got a defective one. Even when it was working, the water pressure, I didn't feel that was as good as supposed to be, considering it's a 1700 PSI machine. So we're gonna remove all this stuff and we're gonna put the upgraded parts and see how that stack against the original parts. So let's do it up. All right, so we made it outside and we're gonna go over the machine now on the outside. These are the additional tips that came with the gun, and there's the foam gun, the Turbo Wax car shampoo, the yellow one, and immediately the one issue that I see is that my hose is extra long. So as I said before, I purchased a 25 footer. I think the 12 would have been plenty. So what we want to do here, we're going to go ahead and check the different patterns. So this one is orange. I will try to do this with the one hand. You got the, like I say, on and stop, on and off. So as soon as that I pull the trigger, it should work. So that's the orange. Let's go with the green. All right, green one. All right, let's go with the white one. And make sure you got the tips inserted properly because they will come off. So it depends which angle is the one that you want. That's the one that you will use. And the red one. So in my case, I will be using a lot the red one, this guy right here, to do underneath, and I will be using a lot the orange one. The other two maybe later on, but at the moment I don't think I will need them, so I will keep them inside the bag there. And now we're gonna try the foam cannon. So I have some shampoo in there, and the more shampoo you put inside the foam cannon, the more foam you're gonna get. And it has a couple adjustments here, minus and plus, and also you can move the nozzle around. So that is secure, and just gonna fire away on the trigger. As you can see, it goes quite far with our shampoo, and you got it there. Now you can let it sit in there, and then manually you will have to go with a microfiber mitt or a sponge or whatever that you use and go over. So again, the Kärcher 1700 PSI, 1.2 GPM. So we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna go back inside and give you our thoughts on this pressure washer. All right, so that's about it with the pressure washer, and it was quite of a up and down journey. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for your support, and we see you on Instagram, or you can check us online at turbowax.com. Until then, thank you for watching.